The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online at Fashion Premier Academy. Here we go. In this class, we're going to go back to our original croquis and use it as a template to start sketching some original ideas. Finally, right? Let's do it. Okay, so I've taken my original croquis and with a Sharpie, I'm using blue, but it doesn't really matter what color, I'm going to accentuate some of the outer lines, shoulders, neck, so that when I use this underneath another piece of paper, a blank piece of paper, I will be able to see through, and it will help me in using this as a template so when I place a blank piece of paper over it, I can see through it, and then you can start designing your ideas. And you can start creating your original designs, as you can see. And you can use this over and over again to design anything that you like. So you get the idea, right? You can really have fun designing your original ideas, just having this simple little croquis to help you. Now I'm going to show you other techniques how to really take this to a whole new level in the next class. Teaching you sketching is easy, meaning I can show you all the techniques, and with practice and practice and practice, you'll get good at it. But will that make you a great fashion designer? I don't know. You see, you have to start thinking about what inspires you. What are you passionate about? What do you like and what you don't like? If you watched my other video, how to design a fashion collection and start your own brand, I talk about how one gets inspired and what motivates you to be a fashion designer. When you walk into a store, you don't like everything. There are some things you don't like. Start paying attention what you do like and what you don't like. Maybe certain colors really inspire you, or certain silhouettes, certain shapes, certain fabrics, certain designers. Start paying attention what inspires you, what motivates you to be a designer. That will generate ideas and therefore will take your sketching abilities to a whole new level. What inspires you? Start paying attention, okay? I'll see you next class. Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the courses available at Fashion Premier Academy by clicking the link below. And be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you will be notified when I post new videos, which is every week. I'll see you in class.